Bung, and we are back at it with Shotgun Sunday. Miss you guys. It's the girls. The girls. You checking back in. Second. Ravens just got off the, we took an L, but still love y'all, my boys. You feel me? And as, I said last night, that's how I took the L, but now that bounce back, they gonna bounce back. You got 8 o'clock, the Cowboys gonna play. It's on, so it's nothing. What is we doing, baby boo? Hey? Shotgun Sundays, let's get it cracking. So let me see, hold on, let me see, we got the good job, we got the good key. Alright, something happened, y'all, but we not gonna pay attention to that. But we got the good key. Get him, let's get him. Maybe this week she finally gonna win, maybe not. I don't even know how to, hold on, I should've, my baby a little injured. Alright, chill out. You first, remember? Alright? I always gotta hit you with the hand. Okay. Here we go, guys. Happy Sunday. God damn it. Alright. I'm scared. My finger. Why does it feel like this so much? Good God. It's in my eye, too. Now, boys might have lost the day, but guess who won? You under my eye. Get it, babe. You got it? There's so much, oh, baby. There's so much, y'all. Sorry, y'all. I need to bounce back because my best friend called. I'm sorry. You back. You know, it's real good. Call back again. We have to hang up, and I'm like, oh, so drinking. Please don't call back again. Let me just finish it. Where's the hole? You did it, babe. There you go. For the first time ever in these here United States, Shotgun Sundays, Brittany has won. I won. For the first time ever, I feel like it's my handicap that made me lose. Check the spooky luggage. But you know what it is. Next time, check back in with us. With the girl, okay? With the gang. On 3. Hit that shit. 3, 2, 1. Ha it in. Get in with us.